Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Do you know you can add veggies to your beans? Let me show you how I made this easy and yummy beans recipe. I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. So here is the beans I'll be using, and the beans is clean already. I've removed the stone, the shaft, and I'll be washing these beans. So in my pot, my beans is in my pot already, and I'll be adding some of my chopped onion inside the beans. And this beans is very sweet, so I'll be adding in 1 seasoning cube, and I'll add in my water. So you add the water to the level of the beans and cook the beans. So cover this and cook till soft. Occasionally you open it and check if the beans is soft. So be cooking this till soft. So here is my beans. I'll be adding in my salt to taste, and I'll add in more water because the beans is still strong. So here I'll be using red bell pepper, green bell pepper, my spring onion all chopped, and this is my crayfish, is blended already, my roughly blended habanero, my palm oil, and my 1 onion bulb is chopped already. So we'll be checking our beans now, and this beans is soft already. So we'll set this aside now, and in my pot I'll be adding in my palm oil, and this is 1 cup of palm oil. We'll allow this to heat, and I'll add in my onion. So we'll stir this and cook for a few minutes, and I'll be adding in my roughly blended habanero pepper, my blended crayfish, and we'll stir this. Allow it for a few minutes, and I'll be adding in my boiled beans. I'll stir everything to combine. Please, if you have not subscribed till now, support your sister by subscribing. Click on the red button, it is absolutely free. So to this I'll be adding in my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and spring onion. Look at how colorful this is. Please don't forget to drop me comments at the comment section what you feel about this video. Click on the notification buttons to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I know you want to leave now. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.